Top 3 pitch tips. So I think number 1 is before the even pitch begins, it's a pre-listing package, getting something out to the client before you even show up at the house, because you want them having something tangible from you that talks about you and your business so that you win the listing appointment before any of your competition even gets there. Second pitch tip is be prepared to listen. Develop a relationship. Don't go right into the script. It feels scripted. They're gonna feel like it's scripted. So just listen to what they have to say. Listen to them talk about their motivations for wanting to move. Listen to the why behind what they're doing. I think that's important. And then third is don't wait to ask for the listing. So many people use a 2-part or 3-part listing appointment. Go in, expect to get the listing appointment, and plan to leave there with a listing appointment in your hand.